Hello, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. Today we're going to learn what time signatures are. Our goal is that you will be able to say what each time signature means. 1st grade will learn 4, 4, 3, 4, and 2, 4, and 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade will learn those as well as 2, 2, and 6, 8. So, a time signature tells us how many beats are in each measure. Each amount of beats, or each time signature, gives a different feeling to a song. So in 4/4 time, you get 4 beats in each measure. 4/4 time is very popular. Whether a song is pop, rock, jazz, classical, anything, it's probably in 4/4 time. 4/4 feels normal, like walking. In 3/4 time, you get 3 beats in each measure. The feeling of 3/4 makes you just want to sway from side to side. Next is 2/4. And you guessed it, in every 2/4 measure, you get 2 beats. Songs that are in 2/4 often have a march-like military sound. So far, we've changed the top number. In this one, we had 4 beats in each measure, and this one 3 beats, and this one 2 beats. But what about the bottom number? The bottom number tells us which rhythm note gets 1 beat. So let's see. Okay, each of the bottom numbers is 4. Okay, 4, a fourth. Another way of saying fourth is a quarter. Oh, so a quarter note gets 1 beat. So in any song with any of these time signatures, the quarter note gets 1 beat. Okay, so let's try it out with 2/4. All right, so the top number tells us that each measure will have 2 beats. And the bottom number tells us that a quarter note will get 1 beat in each of these measures. So far, everything we've done has had a 4 on the bottom, which means that in all of these time signatures, the quarter note gets 1 beat. But if you were to change this bottom number to anything else, that changes everything. Okay, so at this point, if you're in 1st grade, you can go ahead and end the video or skip to this part of the video for some questions. Otherwise, if you're in 2nd, 3rd, 4th, or 5th grade, keep watching because we're about to change the bottom number. Bam! Yes, this is 2, 2. No more 2/4. I changed the bottom number to a 2. Each measure gets 2 beats, but there's a 2 on the bottom, so the quarter note doesn't get 1 beat anymore. The half note does, because half is the same thing as over 2. Time signatures are like fractions, but without the line in the middle. If a half note gets 1 beat in each of the measures, then a whole note would get 2 beats instead of 4 like we're used to. And like I said, a half note gets 1 beat instead of 2 like we're used to. A quarter note would get half of a beat instead of 1 like we're used to. And then an eighth note would get an eighth of a beat instead of half like we're used to. But don't worry, you can still technically sing and play a song in 2/2 as if it's in 2/4, but you need to know the difference if a choir, orchestra, or band director is giving you the beat, because otherwise you'll be playing 2 times slower than everybody else in the ensemble, and we don't want that. Let's try another wacky time signature. The 6 means that there's 6 beats in a measure, but the 8 means that the 8th note will be getting 1 beat in each of these measures. To practice what we've learned today, let's count the beats of different time signatures, starting with 4/4. Okay, in 4/4, we know that we're going to have 4 beats in a measure and that the quarter note gets 1 beat. Let's do it. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 3, 4. In 3, 4, we know we have 3 beats in the measure. And again, the quarter note gets 1 beat. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Next is 2, 4. In 2, 4, we know that we're going to get 2 beats in each measure. And once more, the quarter note gets 1 beat. Ready, go. 1, 2. Next, we have our wackier time signatures, starting with 2, 2. In 2, 2, we know we're going to have 2 beats in each measure, and we have something else. We have the half note getting 1 beat here. Ready, go. 1, 2. Next, we have 6, 8. In 6, 8, we have 6 beats in a measure, and the 8th note gets 1 beat. Let's do it. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That concludes our time signatures video. If at this point you are confused at all, go back, rewatch parts or all of the video. If you've done that, then it's time for questions. So you're probably sharing this device with a ton of other people. So if you don't have time to answer these questions, I understand, and it's okay. But if you can, go ahead and ask your parents to comment your answer down in the comments. So, question number 1 is, what is your favorite time signature? 4, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 2, or 6, 8? Question number 2 is, in your favorite time signature, the one you chose up there, in your favorite time signature, how many beats are there in each measure? Question number 3 says, in your favorite time signature, the one you chose up there, what note gets 1 beat? All right, well, parents, please email me with any questions or comments, or you can comment down below right here or on Dojo. You can message me or comment. And to the students, happy practicing and happy learning. Bye-bye.